Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the news option in Dreamface. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the homepage, you can just swipe to the right and press on news. And here you can just select a template like political news, stock market news, and after that you can just edit the script if you want to, or you can just choose an avatar, for example. Um, Choose maybe this one and press on edit script, for example. And wait, of course, until it loads in. It may take some time. And now you can just enter the URL of a product to parse the content if you have, or you can just simply type it yourself. And after that, you can select one of these options here: by text, by voice, or by a website. And you can text it, as you can see. Press on continue, and now you can just um, create a voice, or maybe select an already existing voice like Thomas. Press on confirm, and now you can just press on continue, and you can just import the video footage if you have, and press on import down below, and that's pretty much it. After that, you are done. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.